it off me.
What the fuck, you duck on a truck? What the fuck are you?
I'm a magical lion.
What the fuck's a lion?
A magical lion that's stuffed.
It's magical. So you're like a genie?
Sorta.
Will you grant me 3 wishes?
I'll grant you one.
What do I have to do? What do I have to do?
All you have to do is find the skull.
What skull?
The skull that I have hidden in your house, you fool.
I think I know where it'll be. I don't think it's in here. I'll find it.
Good
Mark
luck.
my words.
You're never gonna find it, you nigger.
Good, I got that. Sword. G fuel. What's that?
Oh my god, you have found it.
So I can get my prize now?
I will grant you one wish, you freaking idiot.
Look at I just really need purple anal beads.
Your wish is my command.
Okay, so where are they?
You're gonna get your wish.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
There you go.
Thank you so much. So, why did you need the skull?
Because my stupid mother hid it from me and I need it for a school project.
Oh. See ya. Better go use these now.